We are on a 3-day journey from Colorado to North Carolina. We're going to be spending a full day in St. Louis tomorrow before we get back on the road to go see our families.
So the car's mostly packed up. We just got to put the roof box on tomorrow and finish packing everything else up. So next time we see you, we'll be in the car. Bye.
Are you excited? Are you excited?
Hello.
Hola.
Hola, Bella. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien. I just wanted to call to let you guys know that we are leaving. Oh, tumbleweed. This is the first leg of our trip. We are on our way to St. Louis, Missouri. We're going to be spending a full day in St. Louis tomorrow doing some touristy things before we get back on the road to go see our families.
And do okay on the test.
How are you gonna pass the time? I thought we were gonna talk to you for the next 9 hours. We're about 250 miles into our trip. We just pulled over to a rest stop to stretch our legs out, change drivers, and get some lunch.
That sucks.
Oh, geez. We got 478 miles to get to our destination. So far, it's been a pretty easy drive, although the wind's been pretty heavy. You jumping in?
We're about 80 miles from Topeka, Kansas.
We made it to our hotel room. It is 1:25 in the morning. We woke up at 3:50?
Yeah.
3:50, so it's been a long day for us, but we finally made it to our hotel room. We'll give you a show tomorrow.
World's longest road trip ever, and it's not done yet.
No, we're only through part of it. We drove about 800 miles today.
Trying to figure out why this time took so much longer than the last time we did this.
Yeah. But
anyways, we're exhausted. We're gonna get a little bit unpacked and go to bed. Good night.
much. Good night.
Good morning. We got in super late last night. It is now 11:36 here in St. Louis, and we're gonna go into town to explore. Our hotel room is not very exciting, so we're not gonna show you around, but it was comfortable enough to stay the night, and we'll stay again here tonight and then drive to my parents' house tomorrow.
Your destination is on the left.
All right, so we're here. Salt and Smoke, courtesy of Kara and Nate. Take us there, tiny dog.
All right, what can I get for you?
We'd like to do the burn-in wraps, besties with 2, the ribs and the wings.
And what you got?
The mac and the beans.
Looks like we can eat on the patio with Betsy, at least right now. You just have to order takeout, which is fine. So at least we have somewhere to sit, which I'm grateful for. You ready to barbecue?
I'm so ready.
Time to dig in, right, Adam?
I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to this for like 2 years now. I'm so excited about having some barbecue.
He's been bugging me about it for years.
Oh my gosh. That's good. That is so good. We just left Salt and Smoke and we're heading over to Forest Park. It was absolutely delicious, well worth the stop. What do you think?
I thought it was really good. Super famished because our hotel wasn't serving breakfast due to COVID. So luckily I packed some Quest bars, which I had one for breakfast along with some free coffee from the hotel. And I also thankfully packed some almond milk. So we're good.
Absolutely. So we're heading to Forest Park next. We'll see you then.
Bye.
Turn right onto Grand Drive.
Betsy, you're gonna be so happy here. There's a park.
We're at Forest Park, which was originally opened in 1876. It's 1,326 acres. And I think one of the cool things is it hosted the 1904 Summer Olympics. It's been super windy, so hope you can hear us.
Yeah. If not, he'll put it
in
at the bottom.
But if you are here, there's a zoo, there's an art museum, there's a whole bunch of other things that you can do, other than kind of just walking around the pond and checking things out.
We just got back from walking. It's a little windy still, but the most important question, Adam, are you excited to go see the arch?
I'm so excited. We're gonna go see the arch next. That's like the whole main reason for this trip, outside of barbecue.
I just cut him off. Follow that Santa.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
So Union Station was a train station. They closed in, I think it was 1876. And then they opened it up a couple years later, and they added all these like tourist attractions.
Cool.
Also in 1904, it was home to the World's Fair.
Oh.
Lines for America's Center Gateway Arch.
Oh yeah, there's a
Take the next
Budweiser
right
tour.
onto South Broadway, then turn left onto Choteau Avenue.
There's the arch. I think we have Fez.
Do I park just like right here?
You just pick your spot. Oh my god, this looks brutal. Yet another thing that Fez has done well.
Here she comes, here she comes, here she comes. Oh, all three of us are here. Let's go explore the arch.
Welcome to the world's tallest arch. Running at 630 feet tall and 630 feet wide.
It was finished being built in 1968, and it wasn't originally called the Gateway Arch. It was called the Jefferson National Expansion Memorial. And it was regards to Thomas Jefferson, one of our presidents, who purchased a bunch of land that was to the west to help with the expansion of the United States. They later renamed it to the Gateway Arch.
So we just took some pictures at the arch. It was pretty amazing to see how the light is hitting it.
I'm sure the video doesn't do this justice, but this is probably like, I don't know, like a 45-degree angle almost. What do you say this was like, honey?
Oh, that's pretty steep. Yeah, doesn't do it justice is right.
We're gonna do 3 meat combo: ribs, pulled pork, and sausage links.
What can I get for your cheese salad?
You wanna go with the mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Good.
Potato souffle. All right, what are you gonna try first?
Ooh, see, I'm always a rib person. I always go for the ribs.
I want to try the ribs. Okay, let's see how they are.
They're really good.
Awesome. All right, now it's my turn. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the barbecue sauce now. I'm gonna do the coffee first. I'm sure that the locals think that this is probably the wrong way to dip, but it's definitely delicious. Very tender. I feel like the ones that we ate earlier today were a little bit more moist, but they're both equally delicious. Like I could eat either one. So would you say that your quest for barbecue in St. Louis was a success?
Never. I always want to eat more barbecue, but I have thoroughly enjoyed the 2 days we've had here, or the 2 meals we've had here. I want to come back and eat some more, but it satisfied my barbecue tooth for now. I was telling Anna, I was like, is there a place that serves breakfast burritos with brisket? Because that would be like the perfect thing for tomorrow.
I think we are gonna end this one here tonight, and then we'll pick up tomorrow.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. So,
What are you doing?
so I'm not a big dessert person, and maybe like 5 times a year I'll have dessert. I just had like the teeniest, tiniest little bite, and I'm like, yeah, cool. Didn't do anything for me. It's delicious, but you know what? That tiny little bite, I'm set for like another month or so, at least.
Okay. Ending for reals. Bye now.
Bye. Are you starting off?
No,
Okay.
you can start. Yeah. It's so windy. They're both equally sweet. I think I like the coffee one better, but both of them are amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just... Is he in the background?
Yeah, he's totally in the background. Totally going to business.
Life on the road.